Welcome to the New Student Advising online workshop. In this module, we're going to cover some extremely crucial information that all financial aid recipients must be aware of. We'll be explaining something that we call CPoS. That stands for Course Program of Study, and it's part of the U.S. Department of Education's regulations that require students receiving federal aid to take courses that count towards their degree. So what does this look like? Well, first, you, the student, will register for classes. Your account becomes flagged because you're a federal financial aid recipient, and your name is generated in a report that your advisor for your declared major will receive. Advisors will use this report to figure out who's at risk of losing financial aid. Some advisors will contact students directly, usually via email, to discuss options for at-risk students, so be sure that you're checking your Hawaii.edu email regularly. If the issues are not resolved by the deadline for that semester, unfortunately that means you will lose your financial aid. You're good to go as long as you have at least 12 credits of coursework that count toward your declared major. Some of the most common reasons why you might be at risk of losing aid include not being declared in the correct major, taking an incorrect course, taking electives that you don't actually need toward your degree, or taking courses towards a minor or certificate that your advisor is not aware of. This especially impacts students who are classified as exploratory. As a student, you can watch out for the following red flags. Before you've registered, any courses that are not part of your default pathway in your STAR GPS system and that do not fulfill a necessary focus requirement are a potential red flag. After you've registered, any courses that are indicated as not in plan and are lacking that little green hat or clipboard icon are a red flag. If you have any questions about CPoS and how it impacts you, be sure to connect with your academic advisor. You'll learn how to contact them in the final module of this workshop.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the rest of our modules and helpful content by clicking the link in the video description or by visiting our website at manoa.hawaii.edu/undergrad/newstudentadvising/online. If you have questions along the way, we're here for you. Contact new.advising@hawaii.edu.